Today we have a very special Aston Martin, a 1965 Aston DB short chassis Volante. It is superbly restored. It has wonderful provenance, both in history and ownership. It is one of 37. I'm going to take it for a ride and show you how special it is. Okay, well, we are certainly cold and not at the operating temperatures yet. So we are going to warm it up, put some fuel in it so it's no longer on the reserve tank or the second tank. And we will be coming right back to you. So, as you can see, cold, cold, cold. We need fuel, fuel, fuel. Okay, well, we're at operating temperatures. We're going to go down the farm road at the start of the video. Show what a great cruising car she is. I've known her for many, many years. This is one of my favorites. I don't know really what else to say other than more special couldn't be. Short chassis Volante. I'll let the car do some of the speaking for itself. These DBs are just great touring cars. They're great for around town. It's silly to say, but in the day they were great family cars as well because of the rear seats. The fact that you can carry your luggage in the boot. Had everything you'd possibly want in the day, from electric windows to 5-speed gearbox, wonderful original Motorola radio. They're welcome additions to many tours around the world, and unlike a lot of the two-seaters, which are also a hell of a lot of fun, once again you can carry stuff in this. So I'm not sure what the English wording is for stuff. Yeah, no, just stuff. So we're going to drop my compatriot off over here so we can do our flybys. And come back to you. Plenty of horsepower. It's a 4.2 liter punched out from a 4 liter. Been done several years ago by Aston Engineering, well known in the UK for their engines and their restorations. And of course, we're enjoying it with the top down, but it is one of those cars that it is quite easy to put the top up and doesn't take forever, unlike the 250 GT Ferrari, which you definitely need two people. It's beyond usable for its era, fun, and most of all, great looking. When we get to the farm road, we'll show you how she does cruise at speed quite well. And then we're going to bring her back and just put her in the showroom. Okay, so we're going to go through the gearbox as they always do. First, second, temperatures and pressures are excellent. Let's get on in a little bit. We can also show you that the temperatures are great. The two tanks are working. We're on the main tank. The oil pressure is excellent. We're going to stop for this light. We're going to take her right back to the showroom and see who in the world is interested in having one of 37 short chassis Volantes.